Hi, I'm Maddie. I'm studying a Bachelor of Science honours here at the ANU, and this is a day in my life. So first up in my day, I'm going to grab a coffee from lab, then I'm going to go on a bit of a walk around campus. At 11, I have to teach a tutorial, and then I'm going to do some honours research, go over to Makerspace, and head to Rocketry in the afternoon. I love coming to Coffee Lab for my morning chai. I just have the best chai on campus. Walking around campus at this time is so perfect. It's starting to be spring, so all the trees are starting to flower. We're here at the Forestry building and I'm about to teach my class for the day. This school is run under FENA, which is the School of Environment and Society, and we're talking all about food this week. Welcome everyone back. What we're going to do today is we're going to do a bit of an activity first. And so this is where I like to study at Birch most days. It's just got the great lighting. So we are at the Makerspace now, where you can make and design anything you want. And so I've been working on a whole bunch of screen printing projects and heat press vinyl projects, and I'm going to finish those off today. Okay, so now we're at the ANU Rocketry Club, which is where I'm building a bunch of rockets, and the team is working on a whole bunch of stuff that is coming up for the upcoming launch. Now it's the end of the day, so I'm going to head home. Thanks so much for joining me in a day in my life.